If you're seeing the Toyota forklift error code 67-1 on your machine, don't worry. I'm here to help you figure out what's going on and how to fix it. This specific error code points to an issue with the accelerator, position sensor, APS, or its circuit. It's a common problem that can be resolved with a bit of troubleshooting and, if needed, professional assistance. Let's go through the steps together. First, let's understand what Toyota forklift error code 67-1 means. The accelerator position sensor is responsible for communicating the pedal's position to the forklift's control system. If there's a problem with the sensor or its wiring, the control unit won't be able to interpret the pedal's movement correctly. This might result in the forklift not responding as it should or even becoming inoperable. Before you start, ensure the forklift is powered down and parked safely in a secure area. Safety always comes first when working on equipment. Once that's done, you can begin inspecting the components linked to the accelerator position sensor. Start by checking the connections around the accelerator pedal. Look for any loose, damaged, or corroded wiring. Often, Toyota forklift error code 67-1 is triggered by something as simple as a disconnected or frayed wire. If you spot any damage, repair or replace the wiring as needed, ensuring all connections are tight and secure. If the wiring looks fine, the next step is to test the accelerator position sensor itself. Using a multimeter, check for proper voltage and signal output according to the manufacturer's specifications. If the readings are outside the acceptable range, the sensor may need to be replaced. Keep in mind that the sensor is a critical component, so if you're unsure about testing it yourself, it's best to contact a qualified technician. Additionally, it's worth checking for any dirt or debris around the accelerator pedal and sensor. Sometimes, contaminants can interfere with the sensor's function, so a simple cleaning might resolve the issue. Once you've inspected and addressed any potential issues, reset the forklift by turning it off and back on. This will clear the error code if the problem has been resolved. If Toyota forklift error code 67-1 persists, it's time to call in a professional service technician. They'll have the tools and expertise to diagnose and repair the issue efficiently. Regular maintenance can help prevent problems like this in the future. Ensure that your forklift is inspected and serviced according to the manufacturer's guidelines to avoid unexpected breakdowns. I hope this guide has been helpful in addressing Toyota forklift error code 67-1. If you're still facing issues or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Keeping your forklift in excellent condition is key to ensuring smooth operations and minimizing downtime.